road from San Cristobal to El Chiflon Waterfall. It's 2.5 hours away. We're gonna get a coach bus and then onto the Colectivo. Let's go.
We are en route to El Chiflon Waterfall. We're trying to find a Colectivo. We're near the border of Mexico and Guatemala, and we kind of have no idea where we're going, how we're getting there.
Beautiful scenes.
We made it across the Mexico-Guatemala border. That was an interesting ordeal as well.
That was days ago, bro.
That was a few days ago.
Is that it? Oh,
But just saying, we're now in Mexico. Oh.
50 per persona.
Is this? Oh, maybe it's more expensive. Let's say 50. That's 60. This is not the one.
What do you think?
We're now in Mexico. And we're here with Jazz.
Hola.
And Dano. Do anything? Oh no. Maybe I'll make that a double then.
La Parrilla Taco.
This is where it's at. A place that serves pineapple on the table.
We've got some little flour tortillas, tacos, bit of meat, al pastor, cheese.
Queso.
This place looks good actually. I'm gonna get everything. And pineapple.
Yeah, definitely. That's the best part.
A little bit on the table. That's the shot. They're gonna be hot. That's delish. That's one of the best tacos I've had so far.
Really?
Yeah.
Should we get some?
I would recommend.
Yeah. Well, I'll
the
get
meat
one
is
each.
perfectly grilled, crispy,
The El Pastor looks too good too.
and so good. The verdict on La Parrilla Taqueria, 10 out of 10. If you're ever in Comitán, this little spot would highly recommend.
Probably unlikely you'll ever be here if you are.
Al problema de la resaca me mantengo en la joda borracho hasta las 6 de la mañana. Es cuando pinta el sol, nos vamos pa' la esquina bailando.
What did you think of the Colectivo?
We finished our Colectivo ride. pretty.
Cute.
The car had seen better days, that's for sure. It's definitely taken a few fellas here and there over its time, but it was 50 pesos each, which is crazy cheap for an hour's drive. Watch out, perritos.
50,000 people used to live here. Now it's a ghost town.
Should we go for a swim GT? Let's see, what is it?
Oh, it's a bit dry.
Hasta luego. Hasta luego. I had to say it. Look there, that's gonna be. Oh my god, that's so funny.
Yeah, so what?
400, 600, or 300. There's only been twice. Oh, that's fine then.
We got our tickets for the zip line, 400-meter zip line.
I'm only here for the zip line.
And Ronnie, I feel like you're just here for the zip line.
What?
Let's go.
Maybe he's just one of those people that have a stomach of steel. He's probably just so much steel. Yeah. Look at the color of this water.
For a short walk. Now we've found a little swimming spot down by the water. So nice, 7-meter depth. Little waterfall. Oh, it's cold.
I don't know what grade I was
What
in.
temp do you think it is?
I reckon like 11 or 12.
Yeah.
Yes.
10.
Yes.
Backwards.
Out of 10. How was that?
Extreme.
The next day.
So The GoPro unfortunately ran out of battery when we were at the waterfalls, so the footage from that day kind of just sort of ends abruptly, but it is what it is. So now, today Jazz left us, which was sad, and now Tara and I have moved into a workaway. We're staying at a hostel, volunteering there for the next month. So because we're going to be here for a month, I wanted to join the gym. So I'm going to go find the gym and see if I can book a little month membership. I don't even know if that's a thing that they do, but we will find out. And then I also need to buy some batteries for the GoPro. So we're going to go to Radio Shack, which Tara thought was a record store.
I wish it was.
She wishes it was. So we're going to do that. It's basically just, I think it's just JB Hi-Fi really. So we're going to go suss that, and I want to buy a couple of batteries and then also a float for the GoPro, so we can't drop it in the water and it'll sink, because I thought Tara was going to drop it in the water on the lake for sure. Anyway, so let's go for a wander through these mean streets and see what we can find.
Andamos, meta vino y porquería. Otra vez cayó la noche. Otra vez nos vamos de gira. Andamos, meta vino y porquería. Otra vez cayó la noche. Otra vez nos vamos a la esquina. ¡Corre, guachín!
We just had lunch at this place called Loving Hut, a little vegan place run by, I think she was Korean lady, old Korean lady, and it was really good. Both had a little set menu type thing, all different tasters. Would highly recommend if you come to San Cristobal, check it out. And then we saw this cool ass church across the road, so we're gonna go check that out now. Got some crazy stone carvings and that sort of thing. So
Look how nice they are.
yeah.
That is real wild.
Chicharrones. Chicharrones.
Sorry.
No head. Alright, the gym looks like a success. We went to Coliseo Gym, just your standard sort of gym, all the equipment.
It wasn't promising from the outside.
Well, it looked a bit fucking rogue from the outside, but we went in, checked it out. 350 pesos for 1 month with they have options with the cardio machines or without the cardio machines, or only weights, which I've never seen at a gym before, and I don't know how they even police that once you've entered the gym.
Come and pull you off the machine.
Yeah. So it was 350 pesos for 1 month membership, and that's without the cardio option, and everyone knows cardio kills gains anyway, so we're gonna go for that option. I think 350 pesos, like just under 34 Australian, so it's pretty good for a month's membership. And now we're en route to Radio Shack. These streets are a bit cray-cray at the moment, but we are here. What were your thoughts on the gym?
The outside looks like it would be tiny, but once you walk through, it almost had more equipment than my gym at home, so respect. The equipment does look like it's probably 50 years old, but it's all you need.
No. Quite far away.
What is this place?
The mattress store.
Pretty cheap for a mattress.
It's 200 bucks. Not bad. Wow, it's a big place. This shop has got scooters, TVs, and fridges. But, and blenders, and maybe GoPro accessories. We'll have to find out. No luck on the GoPro accessories. We went to one shop in like a shopping centre, a bit outside of town. They had bits and pieces but not the right stuff, so the journey continues, I guess. But back to the hostel for now, I think. Wrap it up for the day. The shopping centre was a bit outside of town, so we got a collectivo back from shopping centre to the middle of town. It's like maybe a 10-minute drive, 15-minute drive, 10 pesos each. So that's a good way to get around. Anyway, adios.
Adios.